Okay, it's asking for slope-intercept form, which is mx plus b. Okay, and we got 2 points. Okay, you have 2 points. The equation to use, and that's what this is for. First. Okay. All right. First thing we need to find is the slope. Okay. And it's right there. Alright. So just plug it into the slope form and drop my mic here. You got 7 minus. Okay, now that we got m for your slope, we need to plug it into this equation right here. Plug it into this equation. Okay, clear that up. y1, we're going to choose this because I don't want to deal with these negatives. Okay, let's distribute. Remember, 2 is the same thing as 2 over 1. Add the 7. And we have 5. Alright, we're done. So far, this is probably the hardest part you guys, the hardest part of algebra that you've encountered in these past yesterday and today. It's factor by grouping. That's why I chose it. Okay, so we're going to distribute. Okay, we're solving for x here. Let's see. What's the assignment read? Yeah, we're solving for x. This is part of your homework. Number 6 on your homework assignment. Okay. So we're going to bring everything to one side. Every time we have anything higher than a power of 1, we want to bring everything to one side so we can factor it out. Okay. Okay, there's only one x squared term, which is this one, 2x squared. We have 2 x terms. If you add them right here, you get 7 x's. And then we have 15 minus 15. Okay, just like we did in the previous video, what we're looking for here is we're going to multiply these two, okay, and it gives us negative 30. Now, we need to find 2 factors of 30 that can add up to 7. And let's get rid of the negative for now. 1 and 30. There's no way to add 1 and 30 to get 7. 2 and 15, same thing. 3 and 10 is a different story. Okay. We could have a positive 10 and a negative 3. Okay. Now I'm going to rewrite everything. I'm going to start over here. So, got 2x squared, except I'm breaking this apart using these two. Okay, I'm going to put the 10 first. Plus 10x minus 3x okay, minus 15. The reason why I put the 10 first is because I see how 2 goes into 10 and how 3 goes into 15. Either way, you can do it in any order you want. It'll work if you put the negative 3 first as well. Okay, it'll still work. Now we have to make sure this right here is the same as our original before we broke it down. Okay? And indeed it is. We got 2x squared. This right here gives you minus 7x minus 15. Okay? This is how we check we're doing it correctly. Whoa, this is a positive. Thank you. Alright, these two are indeed the same. Okay. Now this is the grouping part. We're going to group the first two terms. Okay? And we're going to group the second two terms. Keep in mind, you're still dealing with a negative 3. So what I'm going to write here instead is plus a negative 3. And we're good. Okay. Now let's factor out. What can we factor out of these? We can factor out an x and a 2. That leaves us with an x plus 5. Now in your mind, distribute to make sure it equals the correct. Okay. And then we can pull out a negative 3 here. Pull out a negative 3. And that leaves you with a positive x and a positive 15. Okay. Redistribute, you get negative 3x. Okay. Redistribute negative 3 into the, sorry. Nice catch. That's a 5, sorry. Okay, redistribute that right there. And you have negative 15. So we're good. Okay. Now just to check to make sure we're doing it correctly. Now here we can factor out an x plus 5. These two are the same, so we can pull them out. So let's pull that out. X plus 5. Okay. And what we're left with is 2x minus 3. Okay. And if that's confusing, I'm going to show you a different example. X plus 5, 2x minus 3. Copy the whole thing. Okay, what I'm trying to show you here is this last step. Right here. How do we get from here to here? Okay, so I'm going to show you a different example. I'm going to do 3 times x. Okay. Actually, I'm going to just put numbers. 3 times 5. Okay. Plus 4 times 5. Alright. Okay, how can I rewrite this? What do we have in common? We have the 5s in common. So I'm going to factor out that 5. That gives us 5. Okay, factor out that 5, and that gives us 3 plus 4. Okay, so let's redistribute to make sure if it's unclear that I did it right. We're going to get 5 times 3 plus 5 times 4. And that's what we have here. Okay. And that's exactly what we did from this step to this step. Okay. The only difference is instead of having just a single number here, like we did here, okay, that we pulled out, we have two terms, variable and a constant, variable and a constant. Got it? It's right there. Get that homework in.